Hello guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to everyone. Today we are going to bake taro. This is the taro, and then we're going to peel off the skin and we're going to slice into strip. So guys, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. So guys, we're going to peel off the taro. Skin. Na guys, malinis na siya. So the taro is washed.
Pat dry the taro. Next, we're gonna slice.
Oh, guys, ito na po, na-slice natin yung taro. Then ngayon,
next, we're gonna slice the taro into strip.
okay, done. Use this baking tray. Ayan muna natin dyan. So we're going to put olive oil.
I'm gonna put olive oil. We're gonna spread the taro.
Okay, it's like you can put black pepper if you desire. Paprika. Just drizzle paprika. This one is optional. So guys, I'm going to put some oregano, dried oregano. This one is optional guys. I split because it's too much. Ito po yung, this is the plain and I put only salt. So normally I'll do like this, plain, just only salt and olive oil I put. Now we're going to put in the oil. Ganyan lang po guys, ibig natin.
We're gonna cook 15 to 25 minutes.
Our taro. And konting roast pa guys. Para mag-crunchy siya. Mga 5 minutes pa. Wow, our taro is cooked. Yan, beautiful. Ito po yung plain.
This is the other one. I put only olive oil and salt.
Yan.
Now we gonna plating the taro.
Ito po yung plain. Yung just only salt. And the other one, I put herbs.
Guys, you can use mayonnaise for your dipping. That is simple dipping sauce, but it's up to you whatever you prepare to use.
So, this is our baked taro.
Guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.